Okay, here I'm going to show you how to boot off an external USB and install Windows 11. Turn it on, keep tapping F2. Go to boot, secure boot control, turn that to off, exit, oh wait, save, and reset, and F2 again. Connect your external device, boot, it's off, and go to boot device priority. I didn't connect my external drive in time, F2 again. Boot priority, yep. So change the first one to match with the device you're booting, F10, reboot, yes. And now it will automatically start from the external drive to install Linux or whatever you need. This system has actually a virus in it, deep level rooted malware. Okay, this part, list disk, select disk 0. I'm going to wipe this drive clean, removing every partition. Choose my country. There we go. We're installing off Type C, so it should be pretty quick. It's an i5 13th gen. Yeah. Okay, go for it. And after this, go back into BIOS and enable secure boot as well, and change the boot order to make sure the Windows internal hard drive is the primary. %30%. So F2. We can also disconnect our external, advanced. Our secure boot is on, and boot device priority, Windows Boot Manager. Okay, F10. That's it, and then install the drivers and whatnot. You're good to go. This one, I want to upgrade the RAM to 8 gig as well. So while that's going on, yep, it'll do its thing. I'll do another video on this. So, all right, for now, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.